If your hair hasn't grown an inch in months, no matter what you do, I want you to sit down because honestly, I've been there. It's not always about products or magic hair oils. Sometimes your hair isn't growing because of you. Now let's talk. These three reasons held my hair back for years, and if you fix even one of them, you will start to see real visible results. This is the final part of the Bro Girl hair growth series, and it is the realest. Number one reason, inconsistency. Or more, this one hurts because truthfully, we hate to admit it. You start a new routine, deep conditioning once, then forget for 3 weeks. You moisturize your hair today, then your hair stays dry for a week. Sis, your hair craves routine. You don't need 10 products, you need discipline. Even if you are broke, water is free, your fingers are free. A scarf to cover your hair is affordable. I didn't start seeing results until I committed to this. 1. Washing my hair twice a month. 2. Moisturizing 3 times a week. 3. Protecting my ends. 4. Oiling my scalp 2 to 3 times a week. And no, you don't need to do everything perfectly, but do it consistently. Number 2, wrong techniques. You might be doing all the right things, but the wrong way. It shocked you, right? Yes, it shocked me as well. For example, you are moisturizing but not sealing with oil. You are shampooing but not deep conditioning. You are protective styling but braiding too tight. Small things, but they make a huge difference. One thing I did wrong for so long was combing my hair when it's dry. I didn't know I was breaking my hair off little by little. If your hair isn't retaining length, it might be because you are undoing your own progress without knowing it. Number three, stress and internal health. Now, this one is personal. There was a time my hair was doing well, moisturized, protected, oiled, but it still wasn't growing. Why? I was stressed, I wasn't eating well, my iron was low. The truth is, your hair is a reflection of what is happening inside. If your hormones are imbalanced, if you are not sleeping well, if you are consistently anxious, your hair feels it. Sometimes the best hair growth product is peace. So eat your fruits, drink water, get enough rest, and please breathe. So let me say it again. If your hair isn't growing, check your consistency, review your techniques, and take care of your inner self. You don't need 12-step routine. You need the right mindset, habits, and care. This is the final episode of the Bro Girl Hair Growth series. But sis, your journey is just beginning. If you've watched every part, thank you. If this is your first one, welcome. Please go and binge the rest of the series. Let me know in the comment section which of these three things you will be working on first. I'm rooting for you. Your hair will grow. Just give it love and give it time. See you in my next video.